Hey everybody, Steve Spawn here with Spawn Performance, and we just wanted to give you a quick little video tour of our tubular subframe connectors for the 1993 to 2002 GMF body, Camaro and Firebird. As you can see, they come with a brilliant and durable powder coated finish. We're showing you the bright red. They're also available in gloss black. This pair that I'm showing you are chromoly, and they're constructed of 1.75" by 083 4130 chromoly tubing. Mild steel units we also have available, and they're constructed of 1.75" by 120 mild steel DOM tubing. Either version can be MIG welded in place, even if you get chromoly, because the plates that we put on the rear and on the front, I'm showing you here, that is where the welding is done, and they're laser cut from 3/16 mild steel. So all you have to do is sand the powder coat off your edges where it's going to be welded, and you can MIG weld them in place. Installation of these is pretty easy. The rear mount here that I'm showing you bolts to the front of the rear lower control arm mount. That bolts in place just to properly locate the subframe connector. And then what you would do is swing the front of the subframe connector up, jack it tight up against the front subframe of the car, so this plates land flush, and then you just weld around with MIG your front plate, and the same thing on your rear plate. You would weld all around the edges of that. That will lock together your front and rear subframe. Makes the car very stiff, really improves your handling and traction. As you can see on the front of the tubes, we have a plug in place, so you don't have to worry about any water or debris entering into the tubes. All the ends are closed off. The hole you see here on the driver's side is for 93 to 97 LT1 cars. That's there. You get a supplied wire tie with these subframe connectors, and that's where you secure your fuel lines to. LS1 cars, that's not applicable. I'll just zoom in here and give you a close-up of the welds. You can see the weld quality that comes out of our facility. These are chromoly, so these are TIG welded. Beautiful welds. We have very talented welders working here. As you can see, these are very light. I'm lifting them with one hand, no problem. Our mild steel subframe connectors are only 17.5 pounds for a pair, and if you get the chromoly subframe connectors, they're only 13 pounds per pair. So unlike a lot of other brands, you're not hanging a ton of weight in your car with our subframe connectors. They're nice and lightweight. You do a great job stiffening up your chassis. We do not make bolt-in subframe connectors because they're, in our opinion, a gimmick. You're just drilling holes through sheet metal in the car, and in a short amount of time, those holes just start to egg out. And then you just got loose weight hanging from your car. They're not doing much. The only correct way to install subframe connectors is to weld them in. So that is the only way we make them. So that concludes our little video tour of our subframe connectors for the 4th Gen F-body. Thanks for watching. I'm Steve Spohn, and I'll see you at the track.